Hey there, loan officers. It's Scott Groves, head coach of Consolidated Coaching here with HomeIQ, reminding you before we jump into the coaching that HomeIQ solves 3 problems, helps you keep in touch with your previous client, gives you a monthly call list of who to call and keep in touch with, and gives you a value add service to call your realtors with. On to our coaching. Now, one of the most powerful tools on HomeIQ is called the pre-mover score. This takes HomeIQ's proprietary algorithm and gives you the people that are most likely to buy or sell a piece of real estate in the next 12 months. So when you log on, you want to go to your home screen and come here to the reports. So this is under the homeowners report section. And these are all of the reports that are going out monthly. You want to click the pre-mover score so that it stacks it by the highest likelihood of moving to the top versus the lowest likelihood of moving to the top. And you will see that there are a few clients here at the top at Ziria, Anna, Ronald, Angelo, Katie, Curtis, Elizabeth. These people, the system believes that these are the people that are most likely to sell their existing home, upgrade, take equity out of their house, or buy another piece of property within the next 12 months. So when you get into the office and you have that analysis paralysis of like, okay, I'm supposed to be doing my annual mortgage reviews. Maybe I've never systematized that. I know I've got to keep in touch with past clients because as rates start to come down or they go up, people have all kinds of reasons to refinance their house, sell, downgrade, upgrade, buy an investment property, buy a second home. Who is most likely to do one of those things that I can create another transaction from? Simple. Come into HomeIQ, go to your reports, stack the pre-mover score by the highest percentage of likelihood to move, and then call these individuals, keep in touch with them, and I promise you, if you do this, you will do a better job of staying in touch with your past clients than even your realtors do. And how valuable will you be to your realtor if you call, for example, Charlie West and say, hey, Charlie, just wanted to check in. We did that loan for you on 123 Main Street a few years back, and just want to see how things are going. How is the market treating you? What's going on with the house? How are you loving the house? What's new and exciting with you, right? Just doing a quick check-in and asking for a financial update. Chances are there's a high likelihood that some of these clients that are ranked high by this pre-mover score are likely to move, sell, refinance, do something with their property in the next 12 months. And when you're the first person to have that conversation and you can refer them back to the realtor who originally gave you the referral, you are immediately in the good graces of that realtor, maybe connecting with that realtor who you haven't done business with in a while, and is just a huge value add for you to put money back in the pockets of the realtors who are referring you business. So do not overlook this pre-mover score opportunity. You want to be going in here once a week, stacking your clients by the highest percentage likelihood of being a mover and giving them a call, keeping in touch, just doing that old school relationship deepening and relationship building, and then referring the client right back to the realtor who you're trying to deepen that relationship with. Make sure you've got a calendar reminder for yourself once a week to check out the pre-mover score.